Every single one of these ads was on the front page of the San Francisco Examiner. Do you understand? It's hostile, it's ugly, but it gets the message out, and you cannot complain about the hostile territory. This is war. All is fair in love and war. Do not be afraid to get dirty. Do not be afraid to be called all kinds of crazy names. That's what they do. They murder you. Our history is rife with this. So what? So what? What's the alternative? The gulag is the alternative. So we do demonstrations, and when you hear about a demonstration, you have to go. You know why? It does. Still, even now, it may be the last remnants, but still, even now, we are a government by the people, for the people, of the people. And it scares them. It scared them at Ground Zero, and it scared them in Manchester. They backed off. Is it going away? We got 3.5 more years of this terror in the White House. He's a terror. Make no mistake about it. He is at war against Americanism. He is at war against freedom. We talk about American exceptionalism. What does that mean? What is American exceptionalism? Let me tell you what it is, okay? It's not that we're special, but we are. Why? Because we were based on individual rights. Really, American exceptionalism is individual exceptionalism. And yes, we are losing that, but it doesn't mean that we have to lose it. You have to fight for it. You have to get behind candidates. You have to get behind people willing to do the dirty work, and it's very dirty. But this is it. This is a turning point in history. You have a president who, in every single case, sides with the enemy.